something that drew me to Harris Health was their mission and also how they truly put that into action every day. Hi, my name is Gabriella. I'm an interventional radiology nurse at Harris Health LBJ. I've been at Harris Health my entire nursing career. I found out about Harris Health through my nursing clinical rotations and pretty much immediately became enamored with the patient population and the community of staff at LBJ and Ventab. I became interested in IR nursing because of my preceptor, Danny. She was someone that I had worked with on the floor and had transferred to IR and had said to me, hey, IR is hiring, would you consider it? And I was like, absolutely. So I shadowed for a day and kind of got to rotate through each room and see what IR was about. And also having the confidence of knowing, I know a lot of great nurses that already work in this department, and that in itself was a huge draw. If they're happy and they're successful, I want to be a part of that. I love that Harris Health provides care to low-income communities. That was extremely important to me, and it's what drew me to Harris Health. What's made me stay at Harris Health for the duration of my nursing career has been a lot of opportunities for growth and development. I've also developed a lot of relationships with other staff members that have supported my growth as well. And I really enjoy working with our patient population, watching them thrive and become successful. Our department does a lot of line and drain placement, so patients may have a non-functioning organ and they'll go home with a drain in place, such as a nephrostomy or a kidney drain. A big part of serving this population is using an in-person interpreter or an over-the-phone interpreter to provide patient education of how to take care of their drain, why they have their drain, why it's important to change the dressing on their drain, and also watch them demonstrate their understanding back to me. It's extremely gratifying, and it also feels really good to see that patient come back in a month for an exchange, and it looks beautiful, and it's still working really well because they understood the education that we were able to provide. I'm extremely proud of that, and I love that part of this job. A typical day for an IR nurse, we have 4 different procedure areas, including a CT scanner. We also have our holding area where we do pre-procedure assessments for patients. And so you will be split between one of these areas throughout your time. And they also rotate to make sure you're not stuck in the same area throughout your week. In each procedure room, you're going to be responsible for monitoring vital signs, administering pain medication and sedation, antibiotics, and supporting the patient throughout the procedure. We also have our counterpart techs who are incredible. They monitor our ultrasound and other equipment, and they also make sure that the physicians have all of the equipment that they need to perform the procedures. Flexibility is really important. Your day is not always going to be super linear. You have emergent cases that go over time because they're complicated. Our patients have a lot of comorbidities or they've been lost to follow-up. So being flexible, very eager, and willing to learn is really important and will serve you very well. Basic Spanish, I cannot recommend enough. It's definitely made my life easier and been very useful while at Harris Health. I would say the percentage of our patients that speak Spanish versus English or other languages is around 70%. If you want to practice, this is a great place and there's a lot of opportunities. My favorite hack for learning Spanish is practicing with patients in very basic day-to-day conversation. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo se siente hoy? Like, how are you doing today? Asking them about their families, their hobbies, just really basic interests to make them more comfortable. And patients almost always want to reciprocate, and they're usually really excited that you're trying and want to meet them in the middle.